Finally, this is what I have. That will be the space for the diorama. And in this space, you can decorate the walls to do a photo shoot for your products. You can always decorate the floor. Also, you can use this to build a living room for your dolls, for example. Place one chair, replace the little table, and probably a couch on the other side. The possibilities are endless, and of course I'm gonna be showing you a lot of decoration for doll houses. So right now I'm gonna leave it like this, but you can decorate the whole room, or you can always have a bedroom. Let's try. I have this bed I made out of foam board. As you can see here, I have that bed, and that can be part of the room, or we can have it around here, and then we can see the butterflies right on the back wall. Or we can always go with an armor here, put all the clothing, and then decorate with, I made this with foam board and foam, so we can glue it here. So as I'm telling you, I have a lot of things to show you, and this is the base. I mean, in other words, the base or what you need to build a house, a diorama, a room, whatever you want, is this little box I made out of plastic. Over here we have 11.5 inches, and there 11 inches and 12 inches, more or less. So it's 11 times 11 times 12. You can do 12, 12, 12. You can do whatever you want, and then you can apply all these beautiful things I'm gonna be showing you, so you can have a wonderful place to make your pictures, to record your videos, and to have fun. I have these plastic boards that measure 12 inches in height and 44 inches in length. They open on both sides like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace a line in the center, because I need to do a diorama, and I'm gonna cut right in the center. Let me place my cutting board, and luckily it's the same height. I'm gonna go here to cut, and as you can see, it's very easy. I'm using a craft knife, and now I have two halves, like this is one, and as you can see here, and then I fold it, so I have two halves, 1 and 2. But actually what I need is a complete box to make my display. So I have this L shape, and I'm gonna cut the second one, leaving just little centimeters on here, so I can glue it on the bottom part of my first half of the diorama. So I'm gonna cut here, and I'm gonna show you in a moment what is the idea I want to do. So I go here. It's super easy. It cuts really, really fast, and you just need a craft knife. Of course, if you don't know how to use it pretty well, ask for help, because they really cut a lot. So now I have this part. I'm not going to use it right now, and I'm going to use this because of the closure here. So the last step that I need to do is I'm opening my first half and I place the second one, and I'm trying to think where and how. I can do it this way, so I can put it in the same direction like here and glue it just one in top of another one, or I could just put it on top of this one. And I think this is the best way to do it because it's going to look more clean, even though I'm gonna cover this. So this is in the end what I'm going to have, and I fold it in 3 parts. Another thing that is important to mention is that the part that I cut from the center, I'm going to use it as the floor, and that's gonna be my diorama, and this is going to be the other wall. All right, that's the room. You can see here I have 3 walls. I have a front, so you can aim your camera from here. You can take pictures from the upper view. You can take pictures or videos from the front, so have a front view, or you can go inside with a camera and have this angle. So that's basically what I wanted to show to you in this video. Look at how cool it is. And now I'm gonna glue it and I'm gonna show it to you again. Let me see it. The measurements are perfect, so you don't need to cut too much, and it's super inexpensive. So this is going to go like that, and that is our amazing room. I'm gonna come back to you as soon as I glue everything down. So this is gonna be the space, and I can see here that I have wall there, a wall here, and another wall on the other side. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? And also I'll be doing a lot of dioramas for you to use with your merchandise or with your project, biology projects, science projects, or also to make the dollhouse of your dreams. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Hit the button down here in the description box of this video. I see you soon, beautiful souls. Bye. Bye bye.